Pilot Johnson, can you start your book over again? Can you start over from the beginning, please? Can you start your airplane book from the beginning, please?
Again?
Yep.
Okay. A plane will fly.
Does it start with Once Upon a Time?
Yeah.
Okay. Start there.
Once upon a time, the airplanes will fly.
Okay.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Do you know where airplanes fly at?
Tell me.
At the airport.
At the airport?
Yep.
Okay.
And then they almost fly to the lake and there are boats.
The airplane flies to a lake and there's boats there.
Yep. And then there was number one flying on the airplane. And some people were getting off.
Some people got off the airplane.
Yep. And some people were getting back on because the airport was raining.
It was raining at the airport?
No, there was raining. Raining.
Oh, they were waiting?
Yeah,
Okay.
for the airport.
You're a really good pilot.
And then they went inside the airport. And then they saw a big airplane.
Oh.
And a baby airplane.
Okay.
So they went off and back on. And then they went on back on the airplane. And then they went to the house. Then they saw a black thing moving in the airplane.
What was the black thing moving in the airplane? What was it?
That's what we did to the page.
Gotta get to the next page.
And there was a big storm coming.
A big storm coming?
Yeah.
Oh no.
And then the big storm went away.
Okay, good.
And then it was raining.
Oh.
And then the rain was thrown away. And the rain was starting to charge up for the airplane. The airplane was flying away.
That's such a good story, Drew.
No, I apply it.
Oh, that's such a good story, Pilot Drew.
Yep. And then he was thrown on by it.